Hello everyone, I am going to show you first how to start your game, and first you have to show us the measurement of the distance of the target. From target 0 is starting, and we are checking it out, and this is 5 meters. And this is 10 meters. And this line is 15 meters. So 3 into 5, 15. So from this line, the target is placed at 15 meters. Junior compound bow distance is 15 meters. Ready? One archer is going to shoot the first target. The camera should be angled like this. Archer and the target has to be shown to us. There is no time limit for an archer to shoot an animal. So shooting line and the target has to be seen. Yes, shot without disconnecting the camera. We need to go to the target. And you can see this is a wound zone. So first arrow wound zone is 18 points. You can collect the arrow and go back. If you have only one target, you can place the other animal there, but here we have 5 targets, so the archer is gone for the second target. Now the same distance is going to shoot from the second arrow. We have 5 targets here. If you have only one target, you can replace the animal from there. Second board, second target, first arrow. Without disconnecting the camera, that is very important. And this is the second target. You can see that this is hit at the kill zone. So this carries 20 points. This is how we calculate. And now the archer will be going to the third target. Now he has completed first 2, so 20 plus 18, 38 points he has scored. Now the third arrow from the 15-meter distance. We'll check again what will be his score. He had shot one arrow, but it is touching the inner part of the line, so it is wound zone. We can calculate. See, it is touching the inner part of the circle. If it does not touch the inner part of the circle, we cannot give any score. But this is touching inner part of the circle, so this is the wound zone. First arrow wound zone. Again, it carries 18 points. Now he had gone to the fourth target. If your arrow is missed, you have to shoot another arrow. If it is hit, you can move to the next arrow. Now he has come to fourth board. From the same distance of 15 meters, we have a straight line here. In total he is 56 points right now. And his first arrow again. This is a black and white target we have taken, and you can see that this is also a wound zone. so it carries 18 points again. So I am removing the arrow now. Removed, and the archer has gone to the 5th target. Till now we have not disconnected any camera here. And now again in the last target he is shooting. His total as of now is 74, 3 into 18 and 120. 74. And from here we could able to see that it is a miss. So we are asking an archer. Adi miss danada? He is agreeing that he is a miss. So he is going to shoot the second arrow. So in the 5th board he had shot the second arrow. Second arrow wound zone is 14 points and kill zone is 16 points. Now let us see what circle it has hit. So he has missed the first one. You can see very clearly that it is touching the kill zone, but it is not on inside the kill zone. It is outside the kill zone. But anyhow, line is touching. We cannot give points to for the touching of line. So it carries only wound zone, and again second is 14 points. Okay, so as of total 14 points now. Now we can remove the arrow. So as of total now, so his total is 88 points. His total is 88 points. Your total is 88. Are you agreeing?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Thank you.